Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, I'm going to do something I hate, and that's shoot a video inside on a car, but I figure this car is really ready to roll, and I'm sure people are going to want to see it, and Mother Nature is just not going to cooperate with us. We've got rain for the next few days, so we'll just shoot it and get it done. Killer car, 1966 Chevrolet Nova, true super sport car, finished in Lemonwood yellow. This is the factory correct color combination. We actually just took the car in on trade from a real good customer out of North Carolina. He bought the car from one of our competitors. Yes, I've already got an email. It was sold for a lot more money. This is what we're going to ask for the car. So great car, 1,900 miles on a complete rotisserie restoration. Again, factory color combination, a lot of really cool stuff. It's got a CPP tubular front suspension, so the car really drives great. Nathan got a chance to drive it yesterday, and it really hits the road good. You can see the chrome and stainless is really slick. Paint is very nice on the car. It was done in 2019, and again, there's 1,900 miles on the restoration. Pretty car. Really slick paint. Car is just as nice on the bottom as it is on the top. You can see the glass is nice. Real tinted glass. I hate shooting stuff inside because everything's so shadowy, and I like you to see the colors of the cars outside because I think they come out true. I think inside a building with all the neon and everything around here, I don't know if you're gonna get the true feel for the color, but it's really a pretty color on the car. Again, you can see the bumpers are nice. This tail panel piece has definitely been replaced. Nice and straight down the sides. 15 and 16 inch American Racing torque thrust wheels, torque thrust 2s. Good looking car. Again, it has a complete CPP tubular front suspension on it, including the front sway bar. Does have disc brakes on the front, so it really goes down the road good. This is a 350 cubic inch small block. It is a 3¼ horse, nice little cam to it. Edelbrock 4-barrel, Weiand aluminum intake. You can see it's got the high flow aluminum water pump on it with the GM high performance Ram's horn exhaust manifolds. This is pretty cool. So this is kind of like an industrial grade that you did the air cleaner. The bottom suspension is actually done the same way, which is really cool. Power front disc brakes. It's got a MSD Pro Billet distributor in it. 350 turbohydramatic trans, so they have upgraded the trans as well. But you can see, I mean, the car is really nicely done. Just a little mark from a sticker. I'm sure that'll come off. Yeah, unfortunately, Mother Nature is not cooperating right now. But sometimes you just got to get stuff done. Bunch of new stuff coming. Make sure you are keeping track of this. Look how nice the A-pillar chrome is there. Chrome mirrors. Stainless is nice. Again, the door handles are nice. Door seams are nice and clean. This is what's going to be a little tough to see because it's so dark in here, but you can see new sill plates. Door jambs are nice and clean. Factory bucket seats, center console, padded dash option. Headliner looks good. It's got, hopefully you can see that. Actually, I can probably click it on too. Yeah, 1,931 miles on it. Aftermarket tach, aftermarket gauges. It's got a Kenwood sound system in the glove box. Blower motor works. Really nice sounding H-pipe dual exhaust system. Factory 10-bolt rear end, no big gear or anything like that. Definitely something to get on the expressway and cruise. Car cover goes with it. Just a nice car. And like I say, the kind of car that you can put mirrors under at the car show. This thing was completely rotisserie restored. And again, I got some good photos underneath. And nicely done. Carpet's new. I have the new rubber mats actually are here for it. We just didn't get them in. Seats have been all redone, reupholstered. Getting the radios in here. It's got a plug-in, looks like for your phone. It's got the 2-speed original shifter pattern, but it's actually got a 350 3-speed automatic in it now. Got a nice little cam to it. It runs out great. Everything opens and closes real nice. Your dash lights are working. There's not much for gauges, just a fuel gauge in there on this side. I don't think the clock's hooked up. Tach works. Yeah, fit and finish is nice. It's got a good sound. I don't know if we're going to get a station in the building, but it works. Holding good oil pressure. See, all your gauges work, and blower motor does work. Wipers are functional. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time we post a new video. Have a great day, guys.